Hi, I'm Heather from Heather Handmade, and today I am going to open the Sewers Club sewing subscription box. I don't actually have time to make the project today, but I am still going to open it up and show you what is inside this month. Are you ready? So what do we have this month? So this month is a diagonal makeup pouch. So the zipper goes in a diagonal shape. It's kind of like a slightly thinner at the bottom than it is at the top. It looks like it's quilted. It has a really cute zipper, and that floral fabric is really fun. So it's approximately 8 inches by 8.5 inches, and it says it can stand up. And the whole pattern and instructions is right here on the back. This has the list of all of the things that come. So let's look at what they are. So there is a coupon code, give $5, get $5. So the very first thing I see is a little metal tag. It says handmade. This is something I got in the very first box I got, and it's just like a little metal tag that you add as like decoration, but it's so fun. It's really cute. I love adding this to the projects that I make, so I love getting that in the box. So let's look at this fabric. Oh, here is some pink thread. This is a nice bonus to match the fabrics I'm getting. So let's take a look at the fabric. This fabric is a really nice kind of dusty turquoise color, and it says on it lots of things like family, what I love most, there's no place like home, make yourself at home, love at home, together we have it all. So that fabric, that is so fun. Look at that with all those words. I love that there's like a little flower, and there's some of the words are in a different font. So that's a really, really fun fabric. Here is this really pretty floral, nice magenta and pink with all those different flowers. That's a really nice size, like a scale of the print, to make a little makeup pouch. The last fabric is a polka dotted pink, but it's kind of a scattered polka dot. So those fabrics are really fun. These two really coordinate well, and then this this word one is kind of a nice bonus. Here is a zipper. This one is so cute. I love these fun pulls. So it's already been cut, so it must be pretty close to the right size. And then that means you have to be careful so you don't, pull the zipper pull all the way off when you're working with it. But I love having a zipper pull with something interesting, because that's pretty hard to find, just at a craft store or a fabric store. And last of all, there is some fusible fleece, which is a great way to make a project and then do the quilting like we saw in the picture. And that is the box for this month. So this is a really fun project. I would love to make it. I don't think I can make it immediately. It's not going to be in this video, but hopefully I can make it sometime in the future, and then I can show you maybe in the next unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful day.